Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install Google Tag Manager onto your page on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is when you're on Squarespace, go into your settings menu, and then from the settings menu, from the website, go into the pages menu, then scroll all the way down and click on website tools. You'll see two custom code sections. You'll see custom CSS and code injection. What we want is code injection, and we're going to be focusing on header and footer. Now, what you're going to do is go over into Google Tag Manager, and you're going to create a new account. And here you're going to name your account name whatever you want. I'll just name it tutorial account 2. You can select whether you want to share data anonymously with Google and others. I won't. Then you're going to copy your URL for your Squarespace page without the config at the top. So just copy the site id.squarespace.com, add it here, and as you can see, it'll add the HTTPS. So I'll just delete that. That isn't allowed in the container name. Select web and then click create. That's going to open up this. Just accept everything you need to, and just click yes. And then once that's done, it'll create a new account, and you'll get install instructions. From here, you're going to click on this here just to copy the code. So this top code, what we're going to do with that, we're going to add it to the header section, and the other code we're going to add into the footer section. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy our URL, which we've used again, paste it here, and delete the HTTPS, or rather it does need to have the HTTPS this time. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click test, and it should show us a green light if everything goes perfectly. For some reason it isn't detected. I am suspecting that this is because my site isn't public, because I don't have a purchased domain, but if you do, this should show a green light and it should be detected on your website. After you're done with that, just click OK, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.